Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how to cook karo rice. This is karo rice for my staff. The karo rice, you know what is mean karo rice? Red oil rice. You can see it's done already. Boil your white rice, then you fry your red oil with vegetable oil mixed together with pepper, onion and crayfish. Then stock, you pour the boiling rice inside, then you cover it like 15 minutes. See how you come out. After that, you garnish it with ugu leaf. So this is ugu leaf. See how we garnish it. Garnish it with ugu leaf. And see, okay. That garnish it. You garnish it like this. Just leave it like 5 minutes. You cover it and leave it like 5 minutes before you come and turn it. Everything will turn well. Then you off the light. You serve your staff. Very, very sweet and rich because of ugu leaf. Make sure you wash the ugu very well. Come and turn it. You make sure you wash the ugu very well. After you wash it very well before you put for the rice. And see how we are turning it. This is karo rice. The reason why I give am karo rice, you mix red oil with vegetable oil together and fry it. Can see? So the thing no go too show red like that. It will just dey the color you dey as if you no put red oil. So this is karo rice. Wow, it's very, very sweet. Put some more taste. So, and see? Wow. You leave it, if it's very hot or if you go eat hot one, you burn your mouth. So you cover it. So when it's time for serve, you serve. So that is all for karo rice. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and share it to your loved one. I love you all. Make sure you boil your rice, parboil your rice before you mix it. Just as I said, add red oil with groundnut oil together. Fry it with onion, pepper, and fish. Then you pour your stock. That is all. Then you serve it. Thanks for watching. We meet again in my next video. I love you all. Bye.